Today, we're reviewing 10 top-tier electric shavers to help you find the best fit. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. First up, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. This rechargeable cordless electric shaver features comfort-cut blades, which ensure a clean and comfortable shave. The 4D flex heads adjust to the contours of your face, and the pop-up trimmer is perfect for maintaining your mustache and sideburns. Plus, with 40 minutes of cordless runtime, you'll have plenty of time for multiple shaves. Next, meet the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360. This hybrid trimmer and shaver is great for beards, sideburns, and mustaches. Featuring OneBlade technology, it moves at 12,000 cuts per minute, making it highly efficient even on longer hairs. The 360 blade flexes in all directions for a smooth, comfortable shave, while the 5-in-1 adjustable comb allows you to customize your look. Plus, it's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. For those who want a close and precise shave, the Braun Electric Series 3 razor is a fantastic choice. It features a 3-blade floating system that adapts to your facial contours for a flawless finish. The microcomb technology captures more hair in each stroke, and the precision trimmer ensures accuracy for mustaches and sideburns. With up to 45 minutes of cordless power, you'll get a week's worth of shaves on a single charge. What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section, and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now let's continue. Now, let's talk about the Remington F5 Power Series foil shaver. This electric razor uses pivot and flex foil technology to stay close to your skin while flexing around facial contours for smooth results. The intercept shaving technology pre-trims longer hairs for a closer shave, and the pop-up detail trimmer helps refine your look. Plus, with a 60-minute cordless runtime, it's built to last. Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro, a game changer for men who prefer a bald look. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to reach tough spots, while the advanced Pro Blade technology delivers a smooth, irritation-free shave. The IPX5 water-resistant feature allows for both wet and dry use, and the LED battery display ensures you're never caught off guard. With 90 minutes of cordless power, it's the ultimate travel-friendly head shaver. Remington Balder Pro XR 7000, the head shaver brand in the US, with flexing steel blades, cordless lithium power, and a mess-free hair capture system. It ensures a fast, smooth, and comfortable shave every time. It's fully waterproof, making it perfect for wet or dry shaving. Perfect for those who want effortless head shaving. Next, the Panasonic Arc 5 delivers precision with 5 ultra-sharp 30° nanotech blades and an ultra-thin foil that follows facial contours for an incredibly close shave. It features a pop-up trimmer, multi-flex pivoting head, and a powerful 14,000 cuts per minute motor to maintain peak performance until the very last stroke. Ideal for those who prioritize a smooth and precise facial shave. For those seeking a clean and fast shave, the Braun Series 55E 150CS adapts to your facial contours with 3 flexible blades. Its turbo mode speeds up the shave with 25,500 cutting actions per second, and it comes with easy-click attachments for a complete grooming experience. Engineered in Germany, it's built to last. A great option for those who need a durable and efficient grooming tool. Want a grooming kit that does it all? The Shpavver 5-in-1 electric razor features a detachable 7D floating head for precision, along with a nose trimmer, facial massager, and cleaning brush. It's waterproof, rechargeable via Type-C quick charge, and offers 90 minutes of runtime for convenience. Perfect for men who want a versatile and complete grooming experience. Lastly, we have the Panasonic Arc 5E's ALV6HA, an advanced version of the Arc 5 series, featuring a 16D flexible pivoting head and a beard density sensor that adjusts power 220 times per second for the ultimate smooth shave. The stainless steel inner blades ensure precision, while its ergonomic design guarantees comfort. A premium choice for those who seek the highest shaving performance. And there you have it, 10 top-tier electric shavers that cater to different grooming needs.